Now let's look at off-page optimization. The way off-page optimization works is to increase the authority of your website by putting your web page links on other websites. So the more links, or in this case backlinks, you have to other sites, the more valuable the search engines see your site. There are websites you can use to see what the domain authority is for your site when compared to other websites. Understanding and how to use do-follow and no-follow links to create link juice. Do-follow links allow the search engine bots to follow them, which means that the site trusts your link and thinks it's valuable. They do give your site link juice, and readers can also follow your link. So do-follow links have the most power for SEO. All links by default are set to do-follow. No-follow links stop the search engine bots from following the link to your site. This means you get no benefit from this link and only readers can follow your link. The URL link back to your site will have a tag rel equals nofollow. This tag was created to stop spam. When posting on other blogs and/or sites to create backlinks, check to see if other links on the site are set to nofollow. There are extensions and add-ons for browsers that can allow you to check links, for example, Chrome extension nofollow or Firefox add-on no-do-follow. Do-follow links to your site are backlinks. Backlinks are when one website links to another site's web page. So for example, a page on one site has links to another website's page. Previously, backlinks were the major measurement for ranking a web page for all search engines, including Google, and to a large degree this is still true. Also remember, you can't really use social media to build backlinks. They are generally set to nofollow, so they don't directly affect SEO. But Reddit, Dig, BizSugar, Blogger and some others do have do-follow, but you will need to look at how they will allow you to have do-follow links. But social media links are great for building awareness of your product and site, and having the links creates engagement, leads and sales. So how do you create backlinks? You can start by utilizing competitor backlinks. Start with doing a search for your keywords in Google or another search engine. Click each link and see what content it has, for example, infographic, video, or maybe a blog post. Look at whether you can do something similar, for example, a blog post on a directory. Create quality content that readers and influencers would want to read, link to, and reshare. Create an article with lists of quotes or great articles of the influencer. Try contacting an influencer and having a questions and answers session with relevant content that adds value. Ask them about what is currently happening in your niche or what they think about it. Look at coattailing great content by finding great articles that might be a little old and rewrite them with up-to-date information. You can create posts that reference and link back to great content, for example, 10 best health and weight loss transformations. Look at guest posting on key influencers' sites in your niche and use examples from the influencer. Some more tips and tricks are: links within content are more effective than in the footer or sidebars, and using links from relevant sites are more effective than from non-relevant. Black Hat SEO. Black Hat SEO is falsely manipulating a website's search position. Using black hat techniques are bad for your site, the users and the search engines. Some examples of black hat SEO are: hiding text or links can manipulate search rankings and leads to a ban. A doorway page is creating multiple similar pages with a specific high-valued phrase, but each sends the searcher to the same page. Content on your site that is different to what the search engines and searchers expect, which is called cloaking. Using irrelevant 301 redirects that send your users to a page with similar content. Generating automatic content that doesn't read well and stuffed full of keywords can affect your search rankings. Duplicating content from another site without permission or references back to the source. Keyword stuffing is a red flag for search engines. Ensure that content is readable and adds value. Time to form your conclusion. Figure out what people are searching for within your niche. Create a site, blog, or product that uses those keywords. Optimize for search engines with great content, keywords, and links. This all helps people find your site and/or product, and it's what search engines want you to do. Search engines ultimately want the best websites for every given topic to show up at the top of each search, so work hard to create the best website with valuable content, promote it effectively, and search engines will reward you for it. This has been SEO So Good Training. Thank you for listening from jvfocus.com.